Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about contact process stoichiometry. This video covers stoichiometry calculation for industrial gas reaction. We will work through the contact process for sulfuric acid production, calculating material balance and gas composition. Here is our problem. In the contact process, sulfur dioxide and air react over a vanadium catalyst. The reaction is 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. Air composition is 21% oxygen and 79% nitrogen by volume. We use 25% excess air above the theoretical requirement. We need to find first the weight of air per kilogram of SO2, second the composition of gas entering the reactor, third the exit gas composition assuming 75% conversion of SO2. Here the molecular weights are given: sulfur 32, oxygen 16 and nitrogen 14. Step 1. Calculate the theoretical air needed. For 1 kilogram of SO2, that is 1000 gram, and we know the molar mass of SO2 is 64. So we have here moles of SO2 means 1000 means 1 kg of SO2 divided by molecular weight, that is 64. That will give 15.625 mole. Now from the reaction stoichiometry, here reaction stoichiometry is given 2SO2 plus O2, that will give 2SO3. Means from the reaction stoichiometry 2 moles of SO2 needed 1 mole of oxygen. So 15.625 moles SO2 need 7.813 moles of oxygen. So here theoretical oxygen required is that SO2, amount of SO2 divided by 2. So that is 7.813 mole. Now 7.183 moles of oxygen weight is 7.813 into the molecular weight 32. So that will give 250 grams. Now here we are going to calculate the air requirement. Since air contains 21% oxygen by volume, means here 23.2% by mass. So theoretical air is 250 divided by 0.232, that is 1.078 kg. And in our problem we are using 25% excess air. So the actual air supplied is 1.078 into 1.25, that is 1.347 kg. Next, inlet gas composition. So here step 2a, that is air composition conversion, volume percent to mass percentage conversion. So here given that air is 21% and 79% nitrogen by volume. For 100 moles of air, so 21 moles of oxygen, that weight 21 times 32 equals 672 gram. Mass of nitrogen, that is 79 mole into 28 gram per mole, so that is 2212 gram. So total mass is 672 plus 2212, that is 2884 gram. So air composition by mass, so that is oxygen mass percentage, that is 672 divided by 2884 into 100, so that is 23.2%. Nitrogen mass percentage is 2212 divided by 2884 into 100, that is 76.8%. Next, step 2b, calculate the actual masses in our air supply. We supply 1347 gram of total air. So mass of oxygen in air, that is 1347 into 23.2 divided by 100, means 0.232, so that is 313 gram. Mass of nitrogen in the air means supplied air. So that is 1347 into 76.8 divided by 100, that is 1034 gram. So here that is the verification. So total is here uh, 1000 uh, 03 1034 gram of nitrogen and 313 the gram of oxygen. So total is 1347. So that is actually supplied air. Now total inlet stream, that total inlet mass is sulfur dioxide plus air. So we took that sulfur dioxide is 100 kg, sorry 1 kg means 1000 gram, and air is 1347 gram. So total is 2347 gram. Now here step 2c gives us the inlet composition by weight. So we have 1000 gram SO2, 313 gram of oxygen and 1034 grams of nitrogen. So totaling is 2347 gram. Now from here SO2 percentage is, that is 1000 divided by, that is total 2347 times into times 100. So that equals 42.6. Now next is oxygen percentage, 313 divided by 2347 times 100 equals 13.3%. And nitrogen percentage is 1034 divided by 2347 into 100, so that is 44.1. So total, again if I that do the totaling, 42.6, 13.3 and 44.1, so that will be 100, means this added up 100%. Now here product gas composition. So step 3, here we will analyze the reactor exit with 75% conversion. Now here this conversion calculation, so 75% SO2 actually converted. So SO2 converted means we have 1000 gram of SO2 means 1 kg of SO2 into 0.75, so that is 750 gram. So SO2 remaining, so that is unreacted, so 1000 minus 750, that is 250 grams. Now here SO3 formation, so SO2 and SO3, that is 64 by 80, means that is the ratio. SO2, if you see that that reaction stoichiometry here, that is 2 SO2 that will produce 2 SO3. So SO2 is the SO2 and SO3 ratio is here, that is the molecular weight ratio. SO2 is 64 and SO3 is 80. So SO3 formed means we converted SO2 is 750 gram. So from this the ratio we will get SO3 formed 750 into 80 by 64. So that is 937.5 gram. And oxygen consumed, that is again from the reaction stoichiometry, 750 into 16 by 64, so that is 187.5 gram. So we got that SO3 formed and oxygen consumed. Now mass balance of exit gas composition. So SO2 unreacted, so that is 250 gram. SO3 in product, that is we got the product, that is converted SO2 to SO3. So SO3 as a product, so that is 937.5 gram, and excess oxygen, so that is 125.5, and N2 inert, so that is 1034. So that we already calculated in previous slide. So now if I add all this, so that add up will be 2347. So now here we can calculate the weight percentage, so that is 250 by 2347 into 100, so that is 10.7. So individual by the total weight, So SO3, that is 937.5 divided by 2347 into 100, so that is 39.9. And next is excess oxygen, so 125.5 divided by 2347 into 100, so that is 5.3. And inert, that is 1034 divided by total is 2347, so that is into 100, that is 44.1. So that is the exit gas weight percentage. Now final result, so that is air required 1.347 kg of SO2. Inlet composition SO2 that we got here, so that is inlet here 42.6. Oxygen is 13.3% and nitrogen 44.1%. So exit composition SO2 is 10.7%. And here actually if we go to this summary, that is the mass amount, and from here we will get that. So exit is SO2 is 10.7, SO3 is 39.9, oxygen is 5.3, and nitrogen is 44.1 percentage. And here this process flow summary. So reactor inlet, so component mass is SO2 is 1000 gram, oxygen is 313 gram, nitrogen is 1034 gram, total 2347 gram. And reactor outlet, that component SO2 is 250 grams, SO3 is 937.5 grams, oxygen is 125.5 grams, and nitrogen 1034 grams. So total will be 2347 gram. So here inlet mass is equal to outlet mass. So that's it. Thank you.